Exercise 15.1, 13th question. A die is thrown once. Find the probability of getting a prime number, a number lying between 2 and 6, and an odd number. Once means the outcomes are 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So, what are the prime numbers? 2, 3 and 5. So, it is 3 out of 6. First one. What about second one? A number lying between 2 and 6. Between 2 and 6. 3, 4, 5. Again 3 by 6, which is equal to 1 by 2. Then third one, an odd number. Odd number means 1, 3, 5. That is also 3 by 6, which is equal to 1 by 2. Then next question, 14th question. A card is drawn from a well shuffled deck of 52 cards. Find the probability of getting a king of red color. So, red color means one is heart and other is, what is the next one? So, how many are there totally red color? 13 plus 13, isn't it? From that, a king. So, how many king of red color? 2. King of red color means 2. It is 2. So, what is the answer? 2 by 52. Then, a face card. How many face cards are there totally? 3 face cards, king, queen and jack. 3 and 4. 3 into 4, 12. 12 by 52. Then a red face card. Red, 2 types, 13 plus 13, in which 3 are face cards, 3 plus 3, 6. 6 by 52. Then next one, a jack of hearts. Only 1, that means 1 by 52. Then spade. How many spades are there? 13. 13 divided by 52. A queen of diamonds. Queen of diamonds means only 1. It is 1 by 52. Then 5 cards. The 10, jack, queen, king and ace of diamonds are well shuffled with their face downwards. One card is then picked up at random. What's the probability that the card is queen? How many queens are there? 1. 1 out of 5. Second subdivision is, if the queen is drawn and put aside, what is the probability that the second card pick up as an ace? How many ace here? 1. 1 by 4, because we have taken out queen. Then a queen. No queen there. So, the probability of the last one is impossible event, it is 0. Next one is 12 defective pens are accidentally mixed up with 132 good ones. It is not possible to just look at pen and tell whether or not it is defective. One pen is taken out at random from the lot. Find the probability that the pen taken out is a good one. How many good ones are there? 132 good ones. What about the total one? 12 defective and 132 good ones. So, it is 144. So, total 144, the probability that in this 132 are good. So, the probability to get good ones is 132 divided by 144, which you have to simplify. You have to make it in the simplest form. The next one is, a lot of 20 bulbs contains 4 defective ones. One bulb is drawn at random from the lot. What is the probability that this bulb is defective? A lot of 20 pens. 20 bulbs contain 4 defective. One bulb is drawn at random from the lot. What is the probability that this bulb is defective? 4 are defective, total 60 are there. So, 4 by 20. Then, suppose a bulb is drawn, it is not defective and is not replaced. That means, taken out a good bulb. We have taken out a good bulb and one bulb is drawn at random from the rest, what is the probability that this bulb is not defective? Not defective means in 24 are defective, that means 16 are good. Suppose that bulb is drawn as not defective and not replaced, so the total become 15, or you can find 20 minus 4 minus 1, which is equal to 20 minus 5, which is equal to 15. So the required probability is 15 out of 19, because 1 we kept aside, so 15 divided by 19. 18th question is, a box contains 90 discs which are numbered from 1 to 90. If one disc is drawn at random from the box, find the probability that it's a 2-digit number. 2-digit number means we have to eliminate 1 to 9 from that. 1 to 9 means 9 numbers we have to eliminate. So we are getting it as 81. We are getting this as 81. So the required probability is 81 out of 90. Then next one is a perfect square. Perfect square means 1 ones are 1, 2 twos are 4, 3 threes are 9, etc. 16, 25, 36, 49, 64, 81. So how many are there? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Required probability is 9 by 90, which is equal to 1 by 10, which is equal to 0.1. Then the last subdivision is a number divisible by 5. Number divisible by 5 means 5, 10 up to 90. 5, 10, 15, 20, 25, 30, 35, 40, 45, 50, etc. up to 90. How many are there? 5, 10, 15, 16, 17, 18. So the required probability is 18 by 90. So it is 1 by 5. So some homeworks I am giving. Homework. Exercise 15.1 I have already given 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Then from 6 to 12. 6 to 12. Do it as homework.